Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Today is a milestone for me in the company. And when I started Spy Money, I started it to help other traders and so forth and to make myself a better trader. I started off actually just some buddies in a Discord room and one thing after another. And there's a long story. I won't get into it, but there's a long story that got me to where I am today. Everything I've done to help me as a trader. The Spy Money was really just an avenue to help pay for all the programmers and such that I have used over the years. And this month, we are stopping the leases. So if you go to our website, our leases will stop on 12/15. The current leases that we have and any leases from now until then will continue. I never wanted a large company. I wanted a small group of traders to really just be in a Discord and all of us share, what we're doing and to be better. And, there's been users that have come to me and told me what they think a bot should do and this and that. And it just kind of went from there. But we now have a bot that is just, you just turn it on. There's nothing to learn. It's called the Gladiator. I'm sure you've seen a few videos on it. And I will continue to do my best to improve it as we go. And I just released an update today. And it actually made the drawdown even less. And it's incredible. But again, I'm not looking to make a huge company. I just want to keep the number that I have in mind and just keep those people there. We are like a family in our Discord. And I really want to let you know that this is it. Uh, After 12/15, the product lease will be taken off of the website. I'll leave the website up, of course, so the users can access, but you won't be able to lease it. And if you're interested, you should do so before 12/15. After that, it's just not available. I'm not going to do it. So I want to show you some things with the Discord of just some different ones. I mean, we've got the Gladiator, even in this chop, is actually handling it really well. But the main thing I want to show you is the testimonials and such that people are using with the Gladiator. This one here, Gladiator plus the template that I supply, by the way. He's working on a vow, done for the day. Um, this one right here, $570. Here's the trades for it. We run it on a special bar that I made. I developed this for Spy Money. No one has this bar. It's my bar. And, the way we made it work and such is just incredible. It shows chop. It's not a Ninja Renko. It's not a Renko file or nothing like that. It is 100% mine. It works great. And this one here, this guy lives overseas. And I won't say where, but he's overseas and $610 and didn't even have time to choose my Spotify playlist. Straight template, NQ, target hit, can't wait for the be off eval. So this is his evaluation. This is a live account. Adam has been trading with me since before Spy Money was even around. I met Adam in a penny stock group and I was posting charts and such, and he inboxed me and said that you seem to be the only one that knows what's going on in here. And we've been friends ever since. We've met several times. Adam and his family are just good people. His goal is to make, he said if he made $150, $200 a day, he'd be happy. That pays for his lease and gives him an extra couple thousand a month. And look at him go, 438.28 today. He did, I think, 3 trades on it. He had a winner, a loser, and then a winner. And he usually shuts the profit off. So once he gets up to around $400 now, 400 to 500, that's his daily goal. $500 a day would equate to a little over $100,000 a year. And so that is just really good money. Real happy for him and his family. This guy here's overseas as well. And the Gladiator he wrote in there is $1,240, and he shut it off. He run this overnight. I don't recommend running any bot, and as far as where you don't watch it, but everybody's doing it. And this was Adam again. He was at 300, then he ended up taking another trade. Jose, $1,190 overnight again. He did one contract. And he didn't do all of his accounts because last night we had a lot of data issues with NinjaTrader. I don't know what was going on, but we didn't do it. Investing Cheap. Investing Cheap's been with me for a while. He actually bought some other bots and from another company, and he said he never ever made money. And here he is. Look at him. This is on micros, guys. He run MNQ and MGC, so Golden and Nasdaq. 3 contracts each, and that's what he made running overnight. Killed it. So Adam started off this morning. He ran it on Sim overnight because we had the data issues and such. And so his Sim made 710 overnight. And I'm not sure what the $70. I think that is maybe, I don't know if that's his live account or not. I don't know what that is. Then this was Friday, 70% win rate, and made $2,500 on it. And this is one contract is what we're usually running. Jose, look here. He's just running. He was running on Gladiator 2. We now have a Gladiator 3 exit that actually does better. This one's $3,080. Mark just turned it on completely hands-free from 9:25 to 12:45 Eastern time. So 3 hours, $3,000. Gladbot, one contract. I mean, killed it. Here's another one, Spudman. If you're going to buy potatoes, you need to buy Idaho potatoes. He has a huge farm, and if you're eating Idaho potatoes, you're probably eating his potatoes that he has farmed. It's a huge farm. So if you're going to buy potatoes, buy Idaho. You're welcome, Spudman. He is running 20 accounts, and this is on the Gladiator. You can see right there. Roughly, call it $400 on average, so he's about $8,000. Again, right here's more, and it just keeps on going. The spot profits just keep on going through here. People are killing it. We also have some manual profits in here, and people will, like James, his goal is $200 a day. Look at him. These are all PA accounts, and he manually traded these. And I don't know for sure. His usual strategy is he'll use the sweet scalper and such. So even with the lease, you're still going to get everything that we offered in the past, as far as all the indicators, the training, and so forth. So you're going to get all of that as well. Most people are looking for something they don't want to have to learn anything, and that's what Gladiator is all about. Through here, some different ones. But it just keeps on going, There's some people got a big profit, some small profits, and the main thing is this profit. So if you want to lease it, you can click here. When you go into lease the Ninja Suite, that's bring it down to show you what it's all about. You can click on, right here it says SpyBot Gladiator is available in the Ninja Suite. I keep getting that question. Everything that I have is available in the Ninja Suite. And then whenever you go to lease it, it's $1,300 a month. You continue to go through the sign-up process. It takes you over to secure checkout, and it is billed every 30 days. Some people say it's a lot of money, but I just showed you it's not really a lot of money. If anything, this is too cheap. But I'm not greedy. I think 1,300 is very fair for what you get. I mean, I'm usually in the Discord all the time, helping people, and we have a team atmosphere in the Discord. I just love it. The people in there are just great. It's the best Discord I've ever been in. The people are awesome. We have just, I mean, people are just making money right and left, and I really like that. That's the main thing. New traders to experienced traders, and we have them all. But again, it is going to go back to December the 15th of this year. I'm cutting the leases off. And again, I never wanted to be a big company. I just wanted to have a good group of traders, and I really just don't want to let everything keep on going. The more people I take in, the more time it takes of me, and I'm one man. I don't want to hire employees or anything like that. I just want to keep it small. If you're interested, now's the time. If you don't do it, it's fine with me. I don't have to have it, but I'm just allowing it to go through December 15th. There's a lot of people that have told me in the past they're just waiting on this or that and wanting to do it. Well, now is your time. You can do it now or you don't get it. And I'm sorry about that, but I just want to keep it in a small group and just have a good group of traders. No drama. Just we're just looking for just to have a good family atmosphere. And there's been times that Spy Money I've just wanted to quit because some of the users and um, you know there's a lot of people that I have to deal with that I just didn't want to deal with, and there was times I wanted to quit because I make my money trading and on real estate. My money's not made here. This was just an extra business that I had. So my money is made elsewhere. So it really didn't matter to me if I had this or not, but there was a lot of people, matter of fact, I quit once and a lot of traders come up to me and said, "Hey, we need your products, we need your expertise, and this and that." And so I opened it back up, went to the lease, and it's actually worked really well. We have a lot of happy people. Sure, there's some people that are not happy, but that's okay. You can't please everybody, and I understand that. And I wish them well for their trading endeavors. The people we have are very happy. They're making money, and it's just great. I'm real happy with where we are right now. This is a huge milestone for me. I knew that I was going to cut the leases off, but I wasn't sure when. I thought about running them through January, but it honestly, it's just there's too many people, and um, I don't want to. I don't want to continue to do this and be the largest company on the internet. That was never my goal. My goal was just to get a good amount of people that could help take care of my expenses and such on it and my time. And here we are. So if you're wanting to do it, now's the time. If you don't, it's okay. I'm fine with that. I'm just putting this video out to let people know that this is it. So if you're on the fence about it, now's your time. And if I get too many before the 15th, I may even shut it off before then. I'm not sure. I just want to keep it to where if we have the same people all the time, then it takes less time for me because everybody knows what to do. Gladiator bot, the only thing you have to do is load the bot, load the template, and turn it on. That's all. You don't have to do anything. Now, some people will move their stop, and some people will move their profit target or take profit ahead of time, and that's fine, but you don't have to. So anyway, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate everybody that stuck with me through the years. We finally arrived to what we've all been searching for, and it's been a lot of time. I plan on taking some time off now because I work 7 days a week, and I just want to relax a little bit. And with the Gladiator, I want to be able to do that. You guys have a great day. If you have questions, you can always go to the contact us up here and fill this out. But it I pretty much said all you need to know about. There are no free trials. There's no discounts. There's none of that. You either do it or you don't. And if you don't, I'm sorry. I think you'll miss the greatest opportunity of your trading career. But just send your questions if you have any, and we'll go from there. And you guys have a great day. And if you don't see another video out before Christmas, you all have a Merry Christmas. God bless you. And I hope that you and your family spend a lot of time together. And just remember what the reason is that we're celebrating Christmas, even though it's kind of a pagan holiday. But just remember, put your eyes up above, and be thankful for where you are and what you have. God bless.